Shlok 38 of chapter 1.
यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्.
Yadyapi ete lobho pahat chetasa. Though these people, the ones with heart that has destroyed because of the greed, na pashanti dosham kulakshay kritam, don't consider the guilt of destruction of the clan, cha mitradrohe patkam, and having enmity towards friends to be a sin. Yadyapi ete lobho pahat chetasa, na pashanti dosham, kulakshay kritam cha mitradrohe patkam. Interpretation. Though these people who have become corrupt in religion, because of the violence and adulteration of Videshis, the ones with beggary heart, that has destroyed because of the greed of kingdom, wealth etc., obtained through loans from foreign countries, don't consider the guilt of destruction of the clan, and having enmity even towards their friends to be a sin, because they are semi or complete atheists.